If you use any sort of water bottles, baby bottles, vases, you know how difficult it is to not just get them clean, but get them dry and clean. So the DryMeister is going to help you out with both of those things. It comes with two different parts. This is the wand. You can see it's a little flexible, so you're able to really move around inside your container. And then it comes with an attachment. Actually, it comes with multiple attachments, depending on the size you want to use. There's a standard size and then a small size. Really, you can just choose depending on how big your opening is. I like to make juices and smoothies and put them in this container, so I'm going to use the small size for this one. Putting it together, very easy. I like to hold the attachment in place and then screw on the wand until it's secure. There you have it, super easy there. So this is the attachment. You can see this tip right here. So this part is actually not absorbent, but this tip is used to push the drying arms up against the sides and corners of your container, so you're really able to hit every single area to make sure it's dry and clean. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Very easy to put it inside the container. You can obviously hit all of the sides going down, and then when you get to the bottom, so what I was talking about with the tip there, do you see I can push the tip against the side of the drying arms? So I'm hitting every single corner and every single edge of the container, which is the most difficult part when it comes to cleaning these sorts of things. You're not going to get in there with a regular sponge, even if you just rinse it out with water. Sometimes stuff gets really just caked into those bottom little areas. So very easy to use. And then maybe the best part, when you're done, this thing is actually reusable. The attachment just dries off. You can use it again and again. Sometimes it might get a little dirty depending on how great of a job you did cleaning your container. So when that does happen, you have more attachments. It comes with multiples, so you can just dispose of this one and switch it out. Super easy to use.